In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your PayPal password. Keeping your PayPal password up to date is one of the simplest ways to protect your money and personal information. Whether you think someone might know your password or you just haven't updated it in a while, I'll walk you through the whole process from start to finish. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, and you'll have a stronger password in place. First, open your web browser and go to the PayPal website. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your PayPal dashboard, sometimes called the account summary page. This is where you can see your balance, recent transactions, and quick links for sending or receiving money. From this dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the page. You'll see a small gear icon, usually right next to the logout button. That gear icon is your settings button. Go ahead and click on it. This will open your account settings where you can manage things like your personal details, account preferences, and security options. Inside the settings area, you'll notice a few different tabs or sections. Find the one labeled Security and click on it. This is where PayPal keeps all the tools related to your login and protection, such as passwords and other security features. It's always a good idea to get familiar with this area because it's where you'll come back if you ever need to review your security settings again. On the security page, look for the section that mentions your password. Next to it, you'll see an option that says Update. Click on the Update link to start changing your password. At this point, PayPal may ask you to confirm your identity, so be prepared to enter your current password if prompted. Now you'll be taken to the password change form. Here, you'll need to type in your new password and then confirm it in the field just below. Make sure your new password is strong. Use a mix of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid anything easy to guess like names, simple words, or common dates. It's also best not to reuse passwords from other websites. Once you've entered the same new password in both boxes and you're happy with it, scroll down and click on the Change Password button. PayPal will save your new password and confirm the update. From this point on,